In this video, we will find 725 divided by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. If we subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 2 here. Now we know that 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Subtract, we get 2. Now again this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this next adjacent 5 here. And again we know that 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 725 divided by 5 is equal to 145. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.